everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon version of Sleeping Godzilla. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon Sleeping Godzilla, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come down and then up here. I'm going to leave some space, I'm going to come down and then back up in the opposite direction. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, it's going to go over and then down for the nose. Now I'm going to make a little line that kind of just goes down on each side. And I'll kind of curve in and color this in a little bit. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up. And another one that's just going to go down and up. I'm going to bring this up and then bring this up. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes across here and a line that comes across here. Then I'm going to make a line that comes down on each side and then another one that comes down on each side for some detail. We'll also do a line underneath each one. Next, I'm going to bring this line up with a couple little points, and I'm going to bring this line up with a couple little points. Then I'm going to bring this line up and then down here with a curve. I want to make a few little lines coming down on each side. Make this line come down. We're going to go over and then up, kind of connect. Now for the teeth, I'm going to make some kind of sharp little pointed teeth that are different sizes. And I'm going to put a couple more behind here. Now I'll make a couple lines coming down. I'm going to angle it in. I'm going to bring this line down. We'll kind of come over and then up and connect. Next, I'm going to make like a little broken line on each side. I'm going to put some little kind of bumps inside each one. And I'll make like a little curve underneath each one. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and that's going to come in. I'll make this line come over and then up. Another one over and up, and one more over and up to the chin. I'm going to bring this line here with another little line. Right here, we're going to bring this line down to a point and up, down to a point up, and then one more down to a point and then up here. And we're going to bring this line up and in. Then we'll add some little curved lines for the claws with a couple extra lines right above each one. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little bumpy lines that come to here. And then I'm going to start making some of his spikes or his dorsal plates. So I'm going to make some kind of like pointy ones right along the back here. I'm just kind of making these go in different directions. And then we'll make a couple bigger ones right here. And we're just going to kind of make these different little spikes going all around here. We'll go right to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make these spikes going this way. And we'll put a couple more right here. And then one more little one right there. I'm going to make this line kind of come down and then curve around up here for his tail. Then we'll make a big curved line here for the leg. Then we'll make a little line that curves around for the foot. Then I'm going to add a few more little spikes or dorsal fins right around here. Now, for a little bit of detail, I'm going to add a little broken line up each side with a couple little lines coming right across here. A little line or two here. And a little line here. And a couple little lines right around the face. I want to make a little broken line along the tail with some little curved lines underneath it. And a couple little lines right here. We'll do a couple little lines here. And I'm going to do a few little lines right along here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon sleeping Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.